Hey guys, welcome back to our video. Today I want to show you how to cancel Amazon Prime on your phone. So first you're going to go to the Amazon app, and along the very bottom you'll see three lines to the right, so click there. Okay, so from here you should see a section that says your shortcuts. If you don't see that, it should be like along the very bottom there. All you have to do is drag that up, and one of the options is account along the bottom left, so click on account. After you've clicked on account, scroll down under the account settings section. Towards the bottom, you will see members and subscriptions. So click there. Under this section, right there in the very middle, you'll see Prime membership settings. So click there. And on this screen at the top there, you'll see managed membership. So we'll click there, and it'll give you a drop down, and the third option should be manage membership. You could update, cancel, and more, so we'll click there. And on this screen you'll have an option to like pause your membership or end your membership. So if you would like to cancel your Amazon Prime subscription, right there you'll click on end membership. If this video helped you out, hit that like button. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys later.